All right, we're back and we're at the last stop of talking about personality. In this section, we're going to be talking about some methods that are used to understand personality. Not to necessarily evaluate them like we talked about before with the MMPI and TAT and Rorschach, but rather in the way that we understand people's personalities. So the first approach that is used is the ideographic approach, and the ideographic approach focuses on what makes us unique. What is special about me? What is the qualitative difference or subjective nature to me and my personality? So the methods that are used are oftentimes qualitative. For example, a case study method is an in-depth interview, like I might read in any type of a newspaper or magazine about a person's personality. We also use informal interviews and unstructured observations. So these are all qualitative methods that are looking for the quality of a person, not quantifying how much they are of this or how little they are of that. It's more of an essence of a person, and it's based on the humanistic approach to understanding personality from the school of Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow. So this again is the ideographic approach to understanding personality, and this is in comparison to the nomothetic approach, which focuses on what we actually share with others. What are the personality traits that I have that are in common with other people in my surrounding or in my age group or in an area that I live. So this method is a more quantifiable one, meaning it is one that we want to get a sense of relative differences. So that might be something that I assess with numbers and numerical values. And I might use the correlation method. So how is your personality correlated with being outgoing or being shy? I might utilize the experimental methods to understand the personality traits that a person might have, and other similar quantitative methods. These methods are oftentimes those used by the biological perspective, people from the behaviorist school, and even the cognitive school of methods utilizes these approaches. So that about wraps it up for the personality chapter. We've covered a wide variety of topics. We've mentioned a lot of specific names of theorists. So please make sure to go back and make sure you know who said what, and use those mnemonic devices to remember some of the specific aspects of these personality theories. All right, that's about it, and we'll see you at the next topic.